So welcome to Sci 150. This is General Psychology. Our section is DH01. Anytime you want to communicate via email outside of class, just make sure you include our section number, DH01. That'll help me out. Reply to you faster if I know exactly what class you're in. Anyways, so my name is Dr. Gilmore. Of course, I'm gonna see you all here coming up. Today, actually, at 2 o'clock. If you're watching this Thursday morning, we'll be meeting in person at 2 in Azalea 205. But yeah, my name is Dr. Gilmore. Here's my information, my email, my phone number. Again, we're going to go over all of this in person, in class. Our first class meeting on Thursday, the 18th at 2. But just give you a quick rundown of this Moodle course. Now, when you log in, you're not going to see all the things you see on the left side of the screen here. I will open those up as we go through the course. But yeah, pretty much, if you would like, take a look at the syllabus. If you're reading this, or if you're watching this Thursday morning, the syllabus is here. It goes over some key information. Here, I'll open it up real quick. Again, here's all of my info there. There's a course description. Really, if you're looking for key information, the textbook is one to look at. We'll talk about that in class. The textbook options, ebook versus paper. Do you need the mind tap? Do you not? We'll talk about all of that. The grading policy, pretty much the class is out of 1,000 points, or at least we try to get as close to that as possible with possible points. And basically, you're just earning as many points as you can, getting as close to the the possible number of points available throughout the semester. And we'll talk about assignments. Your assignments will be done online. There will be quizzes. There will be discussion forums. Not a whole lot of those, maybe just one or two. Some writing assignments, some written assignments. Something to really pay attention to, since this is a hybrid class, is the plagiarism statement here, academic integrity. Just be aware, right, that anything you turn in through Moodle is automatically evaluated through Turnitin. It's a plagiarism checker. So there's really no way to get away with plagiarizing or turning in something that's not yours. So just be mindful of that. The attendance policy is another one. Since this is only an 8-week course, you can only miss 3 class days. If you miss more than that, I will have to withdraw you from the course. The last day to drop with a grade of W is actually September 30th. So you have that, and that's pretty close to the last day. It's actually 2 weeks before the last day of class, so you have a lot of time there. But hopefully no one will have to drop, because everyone's going to get really good grades and do very well in the course, and it's not going to be an issue. Okay, let's go back here to the syllabus. Another thing to bring your attention to is the enrollment verification quiz. Again, we'll talk about it in class. But this is due. This is a hard due date of August 23rd. That's 11:59 p.m., August 23rd. If you do not do this, well, you're going to have to do it anyways, because they're going to get on me about it. So please do this. If you're watching this or listening to this Thursday morning, just go ahead and click on it, get it knocked out, get it done. Do me a favor, and just get it done. Anytime I communicate with you all, the whole class, I'll use this news and announcements forum. That being said, make sure you are checking your student email. Okay? I would say at least once a day. Get into the habit of doing that. If you can connect your student email account to your phone, that's a great way to keep on top of email. I keep my faculty email on my phone, so anytime, every 15 minutes or so, if there's an email there waiting for me, it's going to pop up. It's going to let me know. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty much it. As you can see, we got a lot to cover. Obviously, these dates that you see here are not accurate. Like I said, I'll open these chapters up as we go through, and I'll fix the dates. The reason why I don't go through and change all of them at the beginning of the semester is because the pace can vary from class to class. So, and inevitably, I'm going to have to change dates and due dates and things of that nature. Anyway, so that being said, that's all I have to share with you right now. Again, I'm looking forward to seeing you all tomorrow, or I should say, I'm recording this on the 17th, but rather see you on the 18th. That's Thursday at 2 p.m. in Azalea 205. I'm looking forward to it, and I'll see you then.